All right, if Xbox and Microsoft are good at one thing, it is definitely not making games, but it is making incredible peripherals. And with that statement, we have a brand new controller. This is the Ghost Cipher, and they're really banking in on the the 90s translucent wave of products. And I gotta tell you guys, they're crushing in every single way, which I didn't make a video for this blue translucent controller they just came out with, but it is absolutely gorgeous. From every single detail on this controller is beautiful, and look at that thumb pad, gorgeous. So with that, we have the Ghost Cipher. I'm gonna unbox this controller super quick on camera so you guys can kind of get a sense and feel of what this looks like, what the unboxing experience is like, and to see if you guys should pick this up or not. I mean, let's be honest, the controllers from Xbox are just probably some of the best on the market. Personally, I feel like that's the case. And the design team at controller, whatever, headquarters, you guys are crushing it. And if you guys didn't know, they also came out with the Elite 2 customizable controllers as well. So you can make those translucent as well. So if you go on their website, Design Labs, you can customize it and you can make the face plate of the controller translucent. I think they have a few variety of options for you, from like white, purple, blue, and I think red as well. And they are absolutely fantastic. And yes, I did buy an Elite controller. It should be here, I think, in about 6 days on the 17th. Yes, I will be making a video on that experience. So definitely stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and let's get into this unboxing. Now, what do you guys think of the Ghost Cipher controller? I thought that the design, the color combination, and the contrast from the gold to the white, chef's kiss, delicious. It kind of gave me a little bit of a throwback vibe to the kind of characters I was customizing for Halo 3, because my aesthetic was either purple and green, like an aquamarine, or it was white and gold. And this just gives me Halo 3 vibes. So let me know what you guys think, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye.